7 o'clock on a Sunday morning is too early to be up. Alright, so right now I'm heading out to meet up with the Lost Wing crew. Gonna be chasing some of their wings around. The spot looks epic. I've checked it out on Google Earth. Looks like it's gonna be a ton of fun. So, yeah, roll footage.
Jack, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more. With the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. No more, no more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more.
Can you fly right over me on the road?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You were saying don't.
Oh no. I was saying like come over.
Our next pass will go right over you.
Okay. Be right in the center. I'll be ready to duck. All right, here they come. Gonna come down the road right at me. This should look really cool. Right in the center of the road here. Holy crap.
I'm gonna bank to the right, Jeremy, and come back down.
Oh! Yeah, no, it was just really close. It's totally fine. That was awesome. Do that again. All that, I think that looked good. Oh. Alright, so just finished up with the Lost Wing crew. A ton of fun. That was crazy. Definitely gonna be flying with them a lot more. Need to build a big wing now. So we're heading back to my house, meeting up with Ktten, another member of LNF, and we're gonna finish up a quad he's working on. Hopefully get that flying today. He's had a lot of technical difficulties with it, and then yeah. Hopefully go flying with him. It'll be a great day if I get out to fly twice. So, see you back there. Alright, back here quite a bit later. We got Kitten Squad flying. Now we're out at the park. Gonna get him flying his quad a bit. I'm gonna fly mine again. This is my second flying session today, so great day so far. Hopefully we have all our quads and planes working after all this. Let's see, check this out. Oh yeah, fresh build, pink props, Maroof racing, going for the quad. Oh nice, right on the quad. Ktten just manages to destroy 2 aircraft with 1 throw. What a legend. Alright, you can go first. I'm gonna go first. Who's going first? Alright. Yeah, so this is Kitten's first real flights with his 5-inch. Just gonna do some line of sight flying since he's waiting for a VTX. But I gotta say, this is a nice build. Oh, already going for the rolls. Wow. Wow. Oh. Almost. That's the second. That is the second time today that I've almost been killed by a FPV aircraft.
You make the roll rate higher or faster.
Wow. He's 30 seconds in and he's already saying he needs faster rates. Why? My 5-inch, which you'll see the video of right now.
Quiet like the ocean, oh, your treasure hidden down below. As silent as it come, I know. Should I be scared if you stay or go? Tell me, am I insecure? Just overly emotional. Have I fallen down low? Searching for things I'll never know. Searching for things you'll never show. I guess I just don't wanna let go. But something tells me not to wait no more. So you got secrets.
Skim through it quickly. Alright, gonna wrap up the vlog here. That was some awesome flying. Ktten got his quad up. It didn't explode. We've had some troubles with this quad, but it's flying well now. Got butterfly on it, real smooth, real locked in. Feels good. My quads are all flying great. Overall, really good day. 2 flying sessions. More to come. I'm gonna see how I like this vlog. Might do more of them. I definitely will do some more, but the amount that I'll do is gonna be predicated on how well I think this one turns out. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap that up here and see you in the next one.